My surgical trick is about the Mayfield clamp. We know the Mayfield clamp is mostly used for posterior cervical surgery or brain surgery. But my trick is using it in anterior surgery. There are some cases where you perform anterior surgery, where you have to perform a closed reposition or also open reposition, or you have some deformity where it's difficult to manipulate with the head under the draping or under fluoroscopic control. Therefore, I use the Mayfield clamp to put it under the surgical drape. And if I am not happy with my reposition or I need more length, I'm easily under the drape, have the opportunity to take the Mayfield clamp and to distract or rotate.